Hi guys, it's Michelle.
And Marley.
Welcome back to my cooking channel. We are gonna make a chocolate cake today. Are we?
Yes.
Who's gonna make the chocolate cake, me or you?
Me.
You. Are you gonna teach me how to make it?
Yes.
Okay. We were watching Matilda. We watch Matilda all the time, guys. It's one of her favorites and I love it too. Now we want chocolate cake, so come join us in our kitchen as we bake a chocolate cake.
The ingredients we need for today is flour, cocoa powder,
Two different kinds of milk, of chocolate chips, right?
yeah, and sugar, salt, vanilla,
Baking powder.
baking powder, eggs, coffee, butter,
Oil.
oil, heavy whipping cream, baking soda, and buttermilk. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. I'm so excited.
You're so excited?
Yeah,
What is that?
This is sugar.
Sugar. Okay, put the sugar. Ooh, be careful.
Ooh, what is that stuff?
Okay, more.
It's coming out of it.
More sugar. That's 3 cups of sugar. Now what?
We put cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder. Be careful.
This stuff is messy.
Okay, and then what else?
Flour.
Be careful with the flour.
Yep, it's really messy. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time because I don't want to make a mess.
Okay.
Oh.
Good job. Come on, keep going.
And
Good job.
we're gonna have
Salt and baking
salt
powder.
and baking powder
Mm-hmm.
and baking soda.
Okay.
And now we're gonna stir it.
You're gonna whisk it up carefully so you don't splatter it everywhere.
Oh my gosh. Oh. This is harder.
It's harder than you thought.
Yep. When I searched.
All you have to do is mix it up, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna mix this up and get our wet ingredients.
Yeah. Now we're going to mix our wet ingredients. I'm gonna scramble the eggs a little bit. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh my.
Are they ready for the milk? I think so.
Yeah.
Because that's a little bit, right? Okay, be careful. What are you doing now?
I'm putting it in the milk.
What milk is that?
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk. Okay. Try not to get your hands in the camera because you're blocking everything.
Yeah.
Okay, so you poured eggs into buttermilk. What else are you gonna do?
I'm gonna pour the oil inside the buttermilk and the eggs.
Okay. So we have 1.5 cups of buttermilk, 3/4 cups of oil, and 3 eggs so far. I'll take that. And now what are you gonna do?
We're gonna put vanilla in it.
Okay, and that's a tablespoon of vanilla.
Yes.
Okay, just put it in there, and then we're gonna stir it a little bit.
It kind of looks weird and bubbly.
Because of the oil. So be careful. Carefully stir it up, right?
Because oil gets everywhere you get on, you know.
Oh, it gets on you, and what happens?
And then you can't get it off, and you have to clean your hands really good to get it off.
And how many times has Mommy made you wash your hands?
2,000.
2,000. Because we're cooking, right? Or we're baking. Now, watch out. Are you happy with that, or you want to mix it more?
I want to mix it more.
Okay. Wait, you're going to spill. Can I give you a tip?
Okay.
Instead of stirring it like that, grab it and do that.
Okay.
Like if it was eggs, you're scrambling. That's how Mommy scrambles her eggs, right? Okay. And you don't have to perfectly combine everything, do you? Not yet, right? We're gonna mix that with the dry ingredients, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients.
Okay. Mommy, ooh, careful. Mommy's gonna help you start mixing.
I'm gonna have to clean my hands again.
Yeah.
Which is 2001.
Okay, let's get this mixed up. Mommy's brewing what? The hot coffee, right?
Coffee. Yeah.
All right, I can't mix with this hand. Let me switch hands. So my instructor is washing her hands while I'm busy trying to mix this.
Okay.
Okay, be careful because I don't like that whisk. But you
Kinda
can keep
looks
going.
like Grandma does it like.
Oh, but that's one for a cup,
Yeah.
not that. So let's get this curbed. Let's get this combined, and I'm gonna get the hot coffee. Okay.
Sorry.
Yep, we switched from the whisk because I don't like it. It's very hard to maneuver because it's silicone and I don't know. So now just stir, stir, stir. We're almost there.
Yep.
Okay, it's hard, huh? Now we're gonna do what?
Scrape it.
Scrape the sides to make sure. But we got it. So now we do what?
We
What?
put the hot
coffee.
inside,
Careful.
and it doesn't have anything in it, but it only has it's only coffee. Ooh.
Okay, hot coffee.
It kind of made a mess.
Kinda. Let mommy help because I don't know. 'Cause you might.
It's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot. We
think
have
I put
to
the whole
quickly. It's gonna be very thin, guys. So we quickly mix it all up while she cleans her mess. Good job. I'm going to stir this all up. See how it's getting combined? Do you see it? Can you tell? And can you tell it's very thin? The batter is what? Ooh, super
Yeah.
thin. Yeah.
Oh.
Oops, now mom made a mess. Okay,
And I'm cleaning it
you're
up.
cleaning it up. Good
Yeah.
job, thanks.
And my mom's gonna pour it in 2 pans.
2 pans. Okay, here we have 8-inch round pans. That's 8-inch by 3, but you don't need 8-inch by 3. You can do a 9 by 2, 8 by 2. But this is what I have. So I have greased it and put parchment paper. And now I'm going to make an attempt to evenly pour this between both
We
of
have
us.
chocolate chips, and we dusted them with flowers. I mean with flour.
With flour, now what are we gonna do?
We're gonna pour some in each.
Okay, so we have milk chocolate and dark chocolate chips, about 4 ounces. And we dusted them with flour, so what? So they don't sink all the way to the bottom,
Yeah.
right?
Ooh.
Okay, next.
Hold
The
on.
next one. Try to get them around. Try to get them everywhere. Okay.
Okay.
Which one's getting more? Keep going. I think I did a good job of evenly pouring the batter. Go to the other one again. And now it's milk chocolate and dark chocolate, right?
Gonna have to put the whisk in the other one.
Okay, go.
What? 2 more.
Okay. And there we go. Now they're gonna go into a 350-degree
Now
oven.
we're gonna start our ganache. That's a fancy way for icing,
Icing or frosting?
frosting.
Okay. So we're going to
Put the
heavy.
heavy whipping cream
Okay, so heavy whipping cream goes in the pot.
first,
And then,
and then
okay,
Ooh,
just,
cracked.
that's fine. You cracked
the sugar.
the sugar. Just pour the sugar in the pot, not outside of the pot. Sugar cloud. Okay.
Sugar.
Now what are we gonna do?
We're gonna stir it up
Okay. Until what?
until it gets hot.
Hot. So we're gonna dissolve the sugar and heat up the cream. Okay, what are we gonna do with that?
We're going to put it on top
Of
the cake.
the cake. Just cream and sugar?
Yep. Nope.
We're gonna put it on top of the chocolate chips?
Yes.
Yeah, we are. Okay, so we're gonna heat this up. Don't let it come to a boil, guys. So I have it on medium high. And she's gonna keep stirring it until it gets hot. Now we're pouring, the cream and sugar into what?
The
butter and chocolate, right? Carefully stir that. Carefully, please. I don't need you burning your face off.
Melting.
I know, the chocolate's melting.
And the butter.
And the butter. So now we're waiting for our cakes. Our cakes are Our cakes are in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes.
Ooh, yeah. Can burn myself.
And all the ovens vary, guys, so make sure you test it. It's anywhere between 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. So test it with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, your cake is done. But the smell will give it away also. So now we're carefully mixing so we can make sure that everything melts, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's keep doing that until it gets all mixed up.
Yep.
So now I'm gonna pour some vanilla. It's supposed to be about 2 teaspoons. So 2 teaspoons and a little bit more for good luck. And she's gonna keep stirring, and we are going to put this in the fridge. You don't want it to get hard, but we do want it to cool down.
Now that the cake is chilled in the frosting, we're gonna frost our cake.
Okay, so the cake cooled down and the frosting is chilled. So you're gonna grab a whole bunch of frosting and you're going to plop it on the cake, right? We're gonna frost our cake. We're gonna make a mess probably.
Whole bunch.
Okay. Just put it on the cake. Okay, so let's not touch the cake yet because we're gonna get crumbs everywhere, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna spread it like this, but don't touch the cake part. So keep putting frosting on it. Now I'm gonna help her out by peeling the parchment paper off the cake. You see the chocolate chips there? Oh, this is gonna come out so good. Let's start frosting this part.
Oh my god.
Just put some frosting. It's the ganache, actually. Put the ganache on top. Don't touch it. Remember, don't touch the cake because you're going to get crumbs on the spoon. Okay, keep going. It's going to take a minute, so we're going to go frost the cake and we'll be right back. All right, so this is our finished cake. I'm not cleaning that up too much because that is perfection from a 7-year-old. So we're going to cut into this. Do you want to cut into this?
Yep.
Okay.
Now I get to taste it.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm proud of me.
You proud of you?
Yeah.
Me too. That's an interesting place to taste a cake.
I know.
You know?
I'm just trying to get
Look
the
at her
spot
face.
where all the frosting.
All right. Taste the cake. Just get some.
Oops.
It's soft, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really soft.
Mmm.
Look at me. It's good? It's kid approved? Did you do a good job making your cake? Are you sure? Let me see. It's good? Now it's my turn to taste. You want me to taste?
And you're gonna like it.
I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna like
Yes.
it. Bottoms up, guys. Mmm. Is that a good,
Yeah.
good chocolate cake or what?
It's really good.
It's really good. You like it?
Yeah.
You like it? Did you do a good job?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do I think you did a good job?
I don't know.
It's very chocolatey. Definitely Matilda level chocolate. So guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and hit subscribe down below. Don't forget to comment, share with your friends, and join us next time for more recipes. Bon appetit.